back to my channel. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama. If you are new here, welcome, welcome. I usually do I almost said speed clean. I do speed clean videos, but I do like mini makeup tutorials. I do have a playlist of that. I cannot talk today, and be sure to go check those out. I will link it above for y'all. But today's video, I'm going to be chatting with you guys a little bit, speeding through some stuff as well. But today's going to be a collab video, which I'm so excited. I don't do collabs too often on my channel, but I really want to start doing them. So I have a friend named Debbie here on YouTube. I think it's Debbie Knoblauch. I am really bad at pronouncing names. I apologize, but I will link her channel down below, and I'll show you some of her videos right here as well, kind of what she posts. She's a new YouTuber, so be sure to go show her some love. Tell her that you came from my channel. You guys, she's just the sweetest. I love her hair. It's so pretty, and I love her style, and she does her makeup very pretty. She has really good taste in makeup. I'm really hoping me and her can do a little makeup swap here soon once my no makeup eye is over. But today, as you saw by the title, we are both going to be using the Jeffree Star palettes, the Blue Blood palette that just came out and the Blood Sugar palette. I had a friend here on YouTube. She always comments. She actually won my recent YouTube giveaway. Her name is Stacy Jones. What's up, Stacy? She recommended a fire and ice kind of look with these two palettes. So I'm super excited to do that. I asked Debbie if she wanted to collab with me doing this. So she agreed to. So I have no idea what her look is going to be like. I showed her a little video, a picture of what mine's going to look like. It's going to be like a red shadow with a blue liner, and I am going to be using this Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Breakfast at Tiffany's. So yeah, if you guys want to see what the look turns out like, you saw a little sneak peek by the thumbnail, but if you want to see how I get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, first off, I'm going to start off with a eyeshadow base. So this is the Essence Pure Nude Concealer, and I'm just going to put this all over. I need to set up my... Sorry, I have my window open, and because it is getting a little warm, so I want some fresh air. You can use an eyeshadow primer or a concealer like this. I use this, and I absolutely love it. If y'all have seen my other videos, I usually do use the NYX eyeshadow base, the white one, but this Blood Sugar palette, the reds are very pigmented, and I don't think that I need a white base for that. So I'm just going to go in with this. Also, I don't get much creasing whatsoever on my eyeshadows or anything like that. So if you do, put an eyeshadow primer down first and then put your concealer down. So I'm going to go in with this palette first, like I said. Also, I don't have any face makeup on. I always like to do my eyes first in case I get some fallout. I'm going to go ahead and go in with some tape, because the tape is actually going to allow me to get a more like precise winged liner. So I just I do need to move my mirror. I apologize, y'all. I'm going to put my mirror right here, so hopefully that's not too annoying for y'all. I'm going to put down, let's stick that here because I'm going to put down you really don't need this big of a piece. But I'm going to just stick it like so. Alright, since I have the tape down, I'm going to go in with the Blood Sugar palette, like I said. So first, to get the red to like really blend out, I'm going to go in with the color Sugarcane, which is more of a neutral color, and I'm going to just use that, not a neutral, like a skin tone color, and use that right in my crease, as you can see. So using this Eco Tools brush, the full shadow brush, it's what this looks like, I'm going to go in with the shade Cherry Soda right here, and then just pack this all over my lid This look is going to be very simple. There's not going to be too many steps with it. I think the more harder part is going to be the doing the liner. So since I have that color on already, you see how that blended out really well. I do want to darken it up just a bit, so I'm going to go in with another brush and go in with the shade Blood Sugar. This has some shimmer to it, I think, so, but that's totally fine. So yeah, I just wanted to deepen it up a bit. Super pretty. And then we're going to go in with the brush that we used. This is the BH Cosmetics brush. This is the brush that we used for the transition color. And then I'm just going to blend, kind of be blending this up, but blending this in so it really doesn't look like too harsh of a line. Alright, so next up I'm going to go in with that liquid liner, like I said, and I'm just going to straight up draw this onto my lid. His lipsticks do have a pretty good like point, so what I'm going to do is just do a winged liner. So if you have issues with doing wing liners, I get told all the time, oh my gosh, you make doing a winged liner look so easy. The tape is a very good practice. So I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to do kind of like I'm definitely going to do a shadow on top of it to kind of set it and make it a bit brighter. And we're going to do that with the Blue Blood palette, but I don't want to blink right now. I really want this to dry down so it doesn't crease on the lid. So I'm going to let that work its magic, and then I'll be right back. Alright, going in with a more like precise brush, I'm going to open this Blue Blood palette, which I absolutely love. Y'all have probably seen this so much. I want to go in with the shade Blue Blood, and then actually first we're going to go in with the shade Colonel, I think I said it right. It's the lighter, the white shade in here, and we're going to put this on the inner part of that liner that we just did. We're going to do like a little gradual effect. And then we're going to go in with Blue Blood and stick that right in the middle. A darker shade for sure. And I'm going to go in with Undertaker, which is pretty sure the darkest shade in this palette. And then we're going to do that on the end of the wing. Okay, so I'm going to take that tape off and see where, kind of what it's looking like. Heck yeah, look how awesome that looks. So this side does look a little different than this side. So what I like to do is just go in with that same brush and blend this out a bit. So that is pretty much the look. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, and I'll come on here and show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, so I'm going, okay, first off, let's just look at this highlight on my face. Isn't it amazing? Can any of you guys guess what it is? It is actually the shade that I used. It's the lightest shade in the Blue Blood palette. Like, look, you might not be able to see it on this side. I just use a brush like this, and then just pop that onto the tops of my cheekbones, and holy crap, I know this lighting is not giving me justice on this highlight, but I randomly was laying there in bed last night and was thinking, I'm like, I really wonder if this light shade in this, the lightest shade in this palette would be good as a highlight, and it totally is. Alright, so I wanted to let you guys know what I used, on my lips today. So I did go in with Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in Calabasas. Then I wanted to lighten it up just a little bit, so I added this L'Oreal lipstick in Matte Commodium, which is like a more nudie lipstick, just a regular lipstick. Then I wanted to add a little gloss to it, so I added some of the Buxom Plumping Gloss. So let me give you guys an up close on what this look looks like. Okay, so this is what the eyes are looking like. As you can see, how I did the little gradient effect. I think that was very fun. So that's what the eyes are looking like. That is what the highlight is looking like. And what my lips are looking like. So very easy steps. It wasn't too hard doing this look. Like I've mentioned, you can definitely use any of the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipsticks to use as eyeliners, and they work really, really well. Okay guys, I really hoped that you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun recording this look, and it was actually really nice to sit down and talk with you guys like through a makeup look, because usually, like I said, I just kind of speed through it. So let me know, would you guys like to see more videos like this where I'm sitting down chatting with you guys and kind of telling you how I'm doing the makeup, or do you just like the other videos? I like to switch it up, and I love to hear you guys' opinions. So anyway, be sure to go follow Debbie. I'm very excited to watch her video, because I have obviously yet to do that since I'm filming this right now. Then I got to edit and then upload it. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Be sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. If you have any video ideas or looks that you want me to do down below, just like Stacy requested and I totally did it, then let me know. Also subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Toodaloo.